Let me teach you Korean.
Hi Beshies! If you're planning to travel from Seoul to Busan, I highly recommend booking your KTX ticket directly on the official Korail website. Booking directly gives you greater control with instant confirmation and hassle-free ticket changes or cancellations through Korail. The website provides seat selection or seat management features, allowing you to aim for your preferred window or aisle seat instead of relying solely on automatic assignment if you plan to book on Klook. Klook is a convenient and beginner-friendly option for booking KTX tickets. However, many travelers have noted that seat assignments are typically automatic, so you may not able to choose your preferred seats. If you're traveling with the family or simply want more control over where you sit, booking directly with Korail can provide a smoother experience. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Step 1. Visit the Korail website. Open your browser and go to this link. This is the official booking platform where you can purchase KTX tickets in advance. Step 2. On the top menu, click Ticket. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Ticket Reservation to proceed with booking your KTX ticket. Korail's open ticket sales at 7 a.m. PST and 1 month before your travel date, which gives you the best chance to secure seats on popular routes before they sell. Once you're on the ticket reservation screen, click on the departure field and select your starting location. If you're traveling from Seoul, choose Seoul as your departure station. Likewise, if you're booking a KTX ticket from Busan to Seoul, select Busan as your departure station. For the arrival field, select your destination. If you're traveling from Seoul to Busan, click Busan as your arrival station. After that, select your departure date and time, which is the day you'll be riding the KTX. Then click Apply. Next, select the total number of passengers. Enter the number of adults and children traveling, as child tickets are available at a lower fare than adult tickets. Children below 6 years old are free of charge as long as they do not occupy a seat. Then click Apply. You will now see all the available KTX schedules for your selected departure date. The page displays the departure and arrival time, travel duration, train numbers, and seat availability for both economy and first class. Since we are booking only 4 days in advance, most of the trains are already sold out. That's why it is highly recommended to book 1 month ahead as soon as ticket sales open so you can choose your preferred schedule and even select your preferred seats. Once you select an available train, several tabs will appear at the bottom of the page, including train timetable, train fare, seat selection, and reservation. Click on seat selection to see which train cars still have available seats. In this example, only 3 cars have seats remaining, with 2 available seats in each car, although they are separated. You can also click Train Interior to help you make a better selection decision. Once you click it, this will open a VR preview of your selected train car, allowing you to explore both the front and the rear sections. The front and back of each car are where the large luggage storage areas are located. Since the space is very limited, it's best to arrive at the station early so you can board first and secure a spot for your bigger luggage near your seat. Once you chose your preferred seats, click the reservations. Enter your email address and create a password that you can easily remember for the future logins. Then, click Next. Check the email if it's correct, then click Next again. You will then be directed to the payment page, selected schedule, train number, seat number, and total to be paid are all displayed. If you're a foreigner, choose credit card issues overseas. Then, click Checkout. You will be directed to pop-up payment information where you will enter your card details. Once payment is complete, your e-ticket will be issued. That's it. Booking directly through the official Korail website is simple. Gives you faster confirmations and offer more flexibility. So, if Busan is on your South Korea itinerary, reserve your KTX ticket early and get ready for one of the fastest and most comfortable train rides in the country. Bye-bye, Bashies!